what's going on? It's Jessie Lee. You can call me #BOSSLEE, and it is so weird to me even to be sitting here right now. So I just moved into this thing, and I don't know. I feel like my energy is a little different than normal videos because I feel very. I try to be humble all the time, but I feel like it's almost unbelievable what's going on right now. Like, I moved into a house that it costs me more in a day than what it did in a month when I started this direct sales network marketing thing. Just 9 years ago, I was living in someone's basement, and I didn't even have my own kitchen. I didn't even have my own bathroom. And I was just willing to give something like this a try. And so it's unbelievable that this has turned into my life. It's kind of like, But honestly, it's crazy because belief in yourself is so real. And the person I am today is so different than the person that I was 9 years ago when I started this. And that should be really, really exciting and motivating for all of you watching this. You can literally have the house of your dreams. You can have the life of your dreams. You can have the partners of your dreams. You can have the trips of your dreams. You can have everything that you're looking for. But you're gonna have to become a different person. So whoever you are today, I really encourage you to put yourself in different situations that make you uncomfortable, that make you feel like a different person, so that you can turn into the person that you're supposed to be. So I challenge all of you to have vision, and I challenge all of you to do more with your life and believe more in your ability to do cool things. It's crazy that I look at this house and I'm looking out here right now, and this pool literally looks like a pool that I had at a retreat a few years ago, and it's turned into my reality. And so I say that to you because I want you to get crystal clear on what you want in your life. I want you to know what that dream car is. I want you to know where that dream house is with the dream location. I want you to think about your business and all of the things you've been really looking for in your life that can change everything for you, your family, and generations to come. And so this is it. This is the Empire State Building. And if you want a full tour, make sure you subscribe on YouTube. We're going to do a full house tour as soon as everything is put together. So make sure to subscribe, follow, and comment. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. BOSSLEE is out.